Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter in grammar. Chapter number 4, that is nouns as gender. So, we already know that nouns are the names of person, place, animal and things. Now, let's learn more about nouns. That is, nouns as gender. Now, children, do you know what are genders? Let me tell you. Living things are either male or female. These are called genders. Now, this girl is female and boy is male. So, in other words, we can say the gender of a noun tells us whether a person or an animal is a male or a female. For male, we use pronoun as he, and for female, we use pronoun as she. Now, let's understand the kinds of gender. Number 1 is masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And the fourth one is neuter gender. Now children, let's understand each of them one by one. Now number 1 is masculine gender. Now let's read the definition. When nouns denote names of males, they are said to be in masculine gender. In other words, we can say nouns that refer to males only are said to be in the masculine gender. Now let's look at some examples of masculine gender. Father, son, cock, bull. Now these are the examples of masculine gender. Now let's understand what are feminine gender. When nouns denote names of females, they are said to be in the feminine gender. In other words, we can say nouns that refer to females only are said to be in the feminine gender. The examples of feminine genders are mother, daughter, hen, cow, etc. Now let's understand what is a common gender. So let's read the definition of common gender. When nouns could be said of both males and females, they are said to be in the common gender. In other words, we can say common gender are used to refer to both male and female. So, they are known as common genders. Now, let's understand common gender with the help of some examples. Now, number 1 is teacher. Now, here a teacher could be a male teacher or a female teacher. Number 2 is student. Student is a common gender because a student could be a boy or a girl. Similarly, baby is a common gender because a baby could be a boy or a girl. Now the last is doctor. In the same way, doctor is also a common gender because a doctor could be a lady doctor or a male doctor. Now the last kind of gender is the neuter gender. When nouns do not tell us whether they are male or female. They are then said to be in neuter gender. In other words, we can say neuter gender are the names of objects. They are not living things. So, such nouns that refer to non-living things are said to be in neuter gender. Now, let's look at some examples of neuter gender. Table, chair, umbrella, bag. Now, these all things are non-living things. They are objects. So, they are called neuter gender, or we can say they are the examples of neuter gender. Now children, let's solve one exercise also. Write the feminine gender of the given nouns. Now you can see two columns are given. One is masculine gender and the second one is feminine gender, isn't it? So masculine gender is given and you have to write the feminine gender of those masculine gender. Now number 1 is man. Now what is the feminine gender of man? Yes, women. Now the second is uncle. Now tell me the feminine gender of uncle. Yes, aunt. Now the third one is brother. Brother. What is the feminine gender of brother? Yes, sister. Grandfather. Yes, grandmother. Husband. Wife. Tiger. Tigress. Cock. Hen. Peacock. Peahen. Tomcat. Cat. Lion. Lioness. So, I think you have understood the difference between masculine gender and feminine gender. Now let's do one more exercise. Now let's read the question. Write the nouns in the correct column according to their gender. Now these are the nouns given to you. There are 10 nouns. In these, what you have to do, two columns are given. You can see common gender and neuter gender. You have to write these nouns in the correct column according to their gender. Now number 1 is teacher. Do you know teacher is which gender? First of all, please tell me, teacher is living thing or non-living thing? Yes, teacher is living thing. So, it will come under common gender. Very good. Now, room. Room is non-living thing. So, it will come under neuter gender. Bird. Yes, bird is living thing. So, it will come under common gender. Then, fourth is baby. Baby can be a girl also or a boy also. And baby is a living thing. So it will come under common gender. Mirror. Mirror is an object and it is a non-living thing also. So it will come under neuter gender. Again, clock. Clock is an object and it is a non-living thing. So it will come under neuter gender. Doctor. Doctor is a living thing and it can be lady doctor also or a male doctor also. It can be male doctor also or it can be female doctor also. So it will come under common gender. Now next is plate. Plate is an object and it is a non-living thing. So it will come under neuter gender. Friend. Again, friend is living thing and it can be a girl also or a boy also. So it will come under common gender. Now the last one is house. House is a non-living thing. So it will come under neuter gender. So children, I hope that you have understood all the kinds of gender. Very good. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.